Hello, I'm Gareth Jones. I work for the Office of Student Success as a math tutor, and today this video is going to be about logarithms. Logarithms are kind of obtuse for people at first, kind of hard to get, but they're actually one of the easiest parts of the class. It's just people aren't used to them and what they mean. Well, I'm going to explain the background behind them real quick before we go into the properties and the things that you'll need to actually answer the questions. A logarithm represents the power a number has to be represented to become another number. Well, it doesn't really make sense when I say that, but I'll write it out real quick. Let's say we have 2, we don't know what this x is, equals 8. And we're trying to figure out what power we have to put this 2 to get this 8. Well, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Right? What if we wanted to figure this out another way? We could set it up as a logarithm. And you'll see that you'll get questions where you have to convert between this form and what I'm about to write. I could say log to 8 equals to x. You see this, and this both represent the same thing. And some of the questions you have to convert in between them. So just try to understand that in the log format, it's what power do we have to put this to get that number on the inside, which is the 8. And that's what the logarithm represents. It's this x. You see the x is up here in the other format. I'm going to show you a nice trick. If you want to solve that on the calculator, instead of having to go up here and think, okay, what number should this x be? We could figure out the value using a calculator by setting this up. Log the number on the inside divided by log of the base. And this could be anything. I'm just going to put c. But that c could be any number. It could be 10. It could be a bazillion. It could be like pi. And it'll still give you the right value. You would get 3 for this one. So if you want to solve this in the calculator, you can easily just use this format for it. And I'm going to explain another property as well. Very quickly, is that if we have this, numbers on the inside, x3, y4 divided by z squared, we can set this up as a bunch of different logs added and subtracted from each other. So like multiplication and division on the inside can be converted to addition and subtraction outside of the log, and vice versa. What that means is this. We can split up that x3, the y4, and the z2 by writing out this way, separate. All the ones above are going to be addition, but all the ones that are divided on the inside are converted to subtraction. And then we could convert back if we wanted to. Another property that you will see on your tests and on your homework is that if you have an exponent on the inside, you can move it onto the outside. Like this 3 could be multiplied out here. This 4 could be out here. This 2 could be out here. And it'll still be right. So put 3 log x. Remember the exponent is not there anymore since we moved it out. Y minus 2 log z. And that's an important part. Some of the questions is basically just that. That's all you have to do. I saw like 1 or 2 questions when I was in that class. Okay, and another thing I want to show you real quick, because this can confuse people, is that if we have a square root on the inside, what is square root as an exponent? I could say that's also x to the power of 1 over 2. Because right, power to the 1 over 2 means square root. This 1 over 2 can go out. thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and I hope you do good in your classes.